Hello YouTube, Brumel Reaction. Welcome to my channel. At may panibago na naman tayo ngayong i-react na nakakatakot na video. Galing po ito sa YouTube channel ni Endless Story 20. Ayan. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na to, ay mag-subscribe ka na at palike na rin ang ating video. Ayan, kagigising ko pa rin. Kagigising ko lang. At wag na rin ito patagalin. Tirahin na natin ito bago pa tirahin ng iba. Let's play. Yan.
Hello everyone. Welcome in part 2. But before we start,
2.
you must watch part 1. There are 3 levels. Easy, medium, hard. Let's begin with normal level. Ready? And sing this little song. Run, rabbit, run, rabbit, run, run, run. Run, rabbit, run, rabbit, run, run, run. Bang, bang. So now easy level begins.
Ang haba naman ng pasakali ni Idol.
In 3, 2, 1.
Seu filmando.
Não vai ficar.
Caralho. Dori, a boneca tá se mexendo.
Isso mexe.
Meron bang ano mga idol, pwede naman din mangyari ito, pwede naman may battery ito, no? Pero sa tingin ko, parang walang battery itong manika na ito, na nakakatakot. Ayun o, may taong payat sa bintana. Siguro ano yun, tao lang din na kagaya natin, hindi yun ano. Pero ang payat, siguro ano yun, addict. Akala ko yung mascara, yung pala yung insekto.
Medium level starts in 3, 2, 1.
Alright, going randonauting, and it took us to this shady park in the middle of nowhere, so let's see what we find. All we see so far is like trees, a bridge. I think we have to go over this bridge, and our location's a little down there.
Ay, ito napanood ko na to sa YouTube channel ni Pipoy Tandok. Ito po yung may babae na nakaitim na parang hinabol ata siya, na parang aswang.
What the fuck? Oh, what the fuck? Should we keep going? What the fuck? Oh my god, is she following us?
Son a las 3 de la mañana, cabrón. Mírala. Jugando mémico siempre. Chica, no mames.
Okay, so this is the door that moves on its own, and that's the chair that moves on its own. And I'm just
Oops.
tired.
Ayan mga idol, may lumitaw na ano ba ito, white lady sa likod, parang galit na nakatingin sa kanya. Pero ano kaya ito? Legit kaya o gawa-gawa lang?
There's absolutely nothing here this time. I've not seen anything. It's 9:46, and usually everything happens by this time, but nothing's going on. There was way more people than what's usually here today, so I kind of guess maybe that's what it is, and I'm just going to call it a day. I'll start again tomorrow maybe, and we'll see what... Okay, so I'm the only one here right now, and the door just closed.
Sumira yung pinto. Pero hindi niya napansin yung babae kayo nasa likod niya.
On its own. Okay, so I'm here by myself. All of these green lights means that there's no motion, right? Look in this room. What in the world is that?
Ano may sumilip na na parang tao na putla yung mukha doon sa dilim. Ano mga idol? Ayun no.
That is insane. I have never seen something like this. This is directly beside me in the next room. Did you see that? It disappeared. What in the world? Let's do it. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna need air set for this.
Grabe yung tunog na yun na babae na sumisigaw. Nakakatakot yung boses. Ano mga idol? Dinig nyo na ba?
I'm not gonna do this by myself.
Grabe.
I'm in the river and I'm having a dance. Let's just let her go. Anyway.
Pucha, parang baliw itong babaeng. Pero may nakatayo sa likod niya nakaitim ano.
Now hard level begins in 3, 2, 1.
Escucha, hágale suavecito. Espere. Hágale.
May naglulokod sa taas oh. Hanggang dito lang din tayo mga idol kasi medyo mataas ang video na to. Gawan ko ng part 2. Abang-abangan nyo lang po at huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe kasi basta gawan ko to ng part 2. Idugtong ko na lang mga idol kasi may, sobrang haba.